Greetings friends, welcome back to the channel. So I am here at the Memphis Rotters Reunion Show. They're still pulling in cars. This thing's massive. We're in this 50,000 square foot building. This is the Art and Speed Vintage Auto Gallery outside of Memphis. And this show is looking to be a great one. I'm gonna get us lots of footage, lots of pictures, lots of stuff to talk about at this show. I'm so excited. This car show was incredible. It was jam-packed with American muscle, hot rods, restorations, rebuilds. Anywhere you looked in this building, you would see something cool. I gotta hand it to the Rotters. They know how to put on a show and they know their cars. And the location they used for the event was perfect. It was in a vintage auto gallery where they buy, sell, trade, repair, restore, and display classic cars. So all around this massive building, they had a bunch of inventory, which made the show even bigger. And there's no way I'd have enough time in a place like this. I don't think 5 hours is gonna be enough for this show. There's just too much here to see. Now with a show this big, there's no way that I could actually pick out a favorite, but there were certainly some standouts. There was this 39 Buick that caught my attention, and I caught up with the owner to ask him about it. So how long have you had this Buick?
5 years.
5 years, and I see you put those like modern rims on it. Those look great. You picked those out?
Yes, sir.
So what custom work under the hood? What do you got going on?
It's got a 2007 2500 truck 6.0 with a 4L60 and a SS Trailblazer rear end.
Awesome. How long did that take you?
I got about a year and a half in building the chassis, and then I spent another 3 years on the body.
Dude, this thing is absolutely phenomenal. I love it. Check out this little Model A just kind of hanging out by itself in the corner. I love it. You just don't see enough of these. A lot of the show is big, cool rods, and I absolutely love that. But this is something kind of special here. This thing looks incredibly original, too. I don't see a whole lot of changes or upgrades to it, but man, I actually quite appreciate this car. Thanks, Ted. was happy to see some Jeeps representing in there. This CJ looked spectacular. Also, there were some very well done, clean, elaborate interiors, and I really wish I had like the whole weekend to check these out. As I said before, this location was absolutely perfect for a big indoor car show, and I was able to catch up with the general manager, Justin Baltimore, and ask him how he felt about the night.
I think it's safe to say resounding success here at Art and Speed.
Yeah, I think we're all a little overwhelmed and, man, just really excited about the turnout that we had here, and seems like everybody else is having a good time, too.
Rumor has it next year is going to be even bigger, and you better believe I'm going to be there for that. Also, we need to make sure we shout out Lynn Neal, the real deal. He spearheaded this whole thing, and you could catch him on his motorbike zipping around making sure everything was in order. Also, I want to make sure we shout out Sean Brereton and his sick, juiced-up Chevy. He really played a pivotal role in getting this whole thing together. All in all, this is one of the best shows I have been to in a long time, and it's a great way to cap off this season. Of course, winter doesn't last as long down in the south, so I don't imagine it'll be very long before I'm back at another show. At the end of the night, my favorite part is always to watch the cars drive away. You don't like seeing it come to an end, but man, what a great show that was. If you enjoyed this video and made it all the way to the end, please hit that like button for me, and of course you can subscribe and ring that bell for more videos. Tell a friend if you think they'll like it. In the meantime, as we say, good luck, have fun, drive safe, you know how we do.